How to automatically save Snapchat snaps. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner you can find your avatar, click on it. With that you will land to the profile page. Snapchat is an app that empowers people to express themselves, live in the moment, learn about the world and have fun together. It's the easiest and fastest way to communicate the full range of human emotions with their friends without pressure to be popular, pretty, or perfect. The main reasons people like using Snapchat are chatting with friends, sharing pictures, trying out cool filters, and sharing videos. In the case you are struggling to save snaps automatically in your device, what you have to do is click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now scroll down, head towards the option of memories. Over here you will be able to find different sections as storage, save destinations and features. Under save destinations, you will find the option of save button, open it. Now check in for the option of memories and camera roll. Now any snap you take will be saved to memories and camera roll. Likewise, head back. Open this option auto save my story snaps. Check in for the option of auto save to memories. When you post this snap to your My Story, Snapchat can auto save this snap to your memories. Now head back. If you want to save memories to My Eyes only, you can toggle on for this option. So this is how you can automatically save Snapchat snaps. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.